Hi kids, today I'll be unboxing the Adventure Force Nano Boat. It's a remote control boat, and we'll also be testing this in the water today. So here's the boat. It's a bit smaller. It's a bit bigger than the controller. And here are the manuals in the bottom. Try and cut it off. Just a sec. Here are the manuals to it. So this is how we charge it. This is the other manuals here. Let's take a look at the boat and the controller. So the controller is actually waterproof, and of course the boat is waterproof. Let's just cut it out. Cutting it, careful with drop. Here's the boat itself here. It can fit in the palm of your hand. So I'll take a look at the controller now. So here's the controller. So this is the forward, backwards, left and right. This is the boat. So we charge it like, the batteries are already included inside here. There are AAA batteries. So we charge it by doing this. Lifting this up. Here, like this. So here's the charger. So you will see this groove over here. And you'll see a red groove over here too. If you can see it. So it says in the manuals that the charging indicator light will turn on when the boat is charging successfully. If the charging indicator is flashing while the boat is connected, it means that the batteries in the controller are low and should be replaced. So it's still charging. It will be charging for 15 minutes. I'll just come back when it's fully charged.
A few moments later.
So guys, it has been 15 minutes already. So see, it's not like lighting up anymore. So I think that means we can put it in the water and drive it. So here is the boat. This is the sides of the boat. This is the back. These are the propellers. This thing makes it turn. Okay, here's the other side. Here's the front. Under top. The top. So we're gonna put it in the water. Okay. So actually, guys, before I put it in the water, I'll tell you a feature. That see, if you can see these things, if something covers it or like water touches it, it will start to work. That's how it is. So that's cool. So I'll put it in the water now. So guys, now we're going to put the boat in the water and test it. Oh my god, it feels like... Okay, so let's do the first thing. Oh, chill out. That's scared there. So it's a good boat. So they said that I think the control is waterproof. Let's test it later. This is the reverse. Of course, the reverse is slow, but it's good. It will take for like a few minutes to know the basics of this. I just don't know what will happen. You have to. I heard in the manual that you have to clean the bottom part or clean the boat after you're done. Like remove the water, so it don't cause any damage to the boat. So those things are not actually paint, they're just stickers, so I think they're waterproof. Let's see the top speed. Let's go back. See how fast those propellers go? That's why you don't touch them. They can give you a cut. That's fast. You saw the water flying? It's very fast. So so you can buy this from where I bought this in Walmart. It's for $10. $10. And it's also made by Adventure Force. It's a Nano Boat. This is the color yellow. Also in the manual, it also says that you should not do this. You should not play with this outside when there's a thunderstorm, because you might get electrocuted. Let's just wait for it to spin. This is very fast. It takes a while for it to get used, but also it's easy to get used to. Wait, they said that it's waterproof in the box. It's a waterproof controller. So we're gonna try that now. It says on the box here. Let's check one more time. It says on the box, waterproof controller. Let's try this remote control in the water. Hopefully it works. Okay, it says waterproof. Oh, it does work. See? And also, it's meant to float. See? It's floating. So, if you drop this in a pond, don't be worried that it's gonna sink. See? Because there's a problem. So, yeah. Actually, the range of this thing is 30 feet. And also, never put the boat very deep. It's gonna destroy it. And if it breaks, you can just buy another one for $10. For $10 each. Each boat is $10. There are different colors of this. One is white and blue. Other one is I think it's red. There are different kinds of designs at each boat. Let's see the reverse speed. You haven't checked the reverse speed. It's a bit slow, of course, because it's reverse. It's fast for this small boat. Like for the small boat, it's very fast. It might get stuck in like the sides of your bathtub. The design of this boat is very good for its size because it's small, like this big, and also it's also fast. And also for the small size, it's also good. Check out this controller. It's this $10. It can float in water. It's waterproof. It's waterproof, and has lots of good features that are very good. See, check out the speed. Check out that speed. And also, it uses good technology. Like, check this out. If this thing is not wet, wait. See, it's not moving because it's not wet. Until I do this, now it's wet. Now the thing is wet. Instead, it's gonna work. See, it's wet now. It's working. Now it's got dry, and now it's not working. So this is a very good boat, and it's good for $10. See, check, just so good. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. So bye guys. So here's an update. When I was opening the remote control, it did not. I saw water inside of it. So we let it dry up for a few days. So when I tried it, it did not work. Here's proof. It's really not working. The boat is good, but don't put the remote control in the water, because if the water will get inside, then it will break. So you cannot use this anymore. So that's the update.